Hello and welcome to our video on the Beagle dog breed. Beagles are a popular breed known for their friendly and curious nature, making them a great pet for families and individuals alike. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about the Beagle breed, including their history, characteristics, temperament, health, grooming, and training. Part 1. History and characteristics. Beagles are an ancient breed that originated in England. They were initially bred for hunting small game, particularly rabbits, and have been popular with hunters for centuries. Beagles are medium-sized dogs that weigh between 20 and 30 pounds and stand at around 13 to 15 inches tall. They have a distinctive, muscular build with short legs, a broad chest, and a long, droopy tail. Beagles have a short, dense coat that comes in a variety of colors, including black, white, tan, and red. They have large, floppy ears that are soft to touch and an adorable, friendly expression. Their noses are very sensitive, and they're known for their keen sense of smell, making them excellent hunting dogs. Part 2. Temperament. Beagles are known for their friendly and outgoing nature, and they make great family pets. They're social dogs and thrive on human interaction, making them great companions for both adults and children. However, they can be stubborn at times, which can make training a challenge. Beagles are also very active and require regular exercise to keep them healthy and happy. They love to play and explore, and they have a strong prey drive, which can make them prone to chasing small animals. For this reason, they should always be kept on a leash or in a securely fenced yard. Part 3. Health. Beagles are generally healthy dogs with a lifespan of around 12 to 15 years. However, like all breeds, they are prone to certain health issues. One common issue is hip dysplasia, which can cause pain and mobility problems. Beagles are also prone to obesity, which can lead to other health problems, such as diabetes and heart disease. Beagles can also be prone to ear infections due to their large, floppy ears. It's essential to clean their ears regularly to prevent infections. Additionally, Beagles can develop eye problems such as cherry eye, a condition where the third eyelid protrudes and can become irritated and inflamed. Part 4. Grooming. Beagles have a short, dense coat that requires minimal grooming. However, they do shed seasonally, so regular brushing can help to remove loose hair and keep their coat healthy. Beagles also require regular nail trims and dental care to keep them in good health. As previously mentioned, Beagles are prone to ear infections due to their large ears. It's important to clean their ears regularly and to check for signs of infection such as redness, swelling, or discharge. Part 5. Training. Beagles are intelligent dogs, but they can be stubborn, which can make training a challenge. It's essential to start training early and to be patient and consistent. Positive reinforcement training methods, such as rewards and praise, work well with Beagle. Beagles are also prone to barking, which can be a problem if they are left alone for long periods. It's important to train them not to bark excessively and to provide plenty of mental and physical stimulation to prevent boredom. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Beagle dog breed. From their origins as hunting dogs to their role as loyal family pets, Beagles are a fascinating and beloved breed. Remember, Beagles are social and active dogs that require plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. They also require regular grooming and care to keep them healthy and happy. If you're considering getting a Beagle, be prepared for a lifetime of love, companionship, and adventure. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about these wonderful dogs.